Hello guys, welcome to Lefudrewebsolutions. In this video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can start your own website using Blogger. To make website on Blogger, you don't need any coding skills, hosting packages, domain name. Okay, everything is free on Blogger. So you can easily start making your any kind of website like blogging website, business related website, personal website, and portfolio websites, any kind of. So, welcome to Lefudrewebsolutions. Let's start the video. So first come to your PC and open Chrome browser and start typing blogger.com. So this is the page looks like when you are not signed in. So to start sign in, let's click on sign in at the top right corner. Choose the Gmail ID which you want to use. I'm gonna enter my password here to sign in. So after successfully signing in your Gmail ID, you see this page. Let's scroll down. So as you can see, this requires to choose a name for your blog. As you can see, there is also mentioned that this is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. So this means that this will gonna be your main title which is going to be show in your whole website. So I'm gonna choose my title. You can choose it by your own choice, whatever you like. After that, click on next, and now you need to enter your website address, which is also known as domain name. So I'm gonna enter here Lefudreweblogs. So after writing, this will also show you that this blog address is available or not. Once you get the right name, click on next, and now choose your display name. Your display name is going to be displayed to your readers of your blog. So after choosing your display name, click on finish. So guys, it's all done. Now you are on the dashboard of the blogger.com, where you can start creating your post, change your website theme, change your website layout related to your website by this dashboard. Till now, we have successfully created our account on blogger.com. Now, let me show you that how you can reach to your website and check that how it's first look. So, to do that, move your cursor to the left menu and then scroll down. There you will see an option called View Blogs. Just click on that and a website will be open on the new tab. So let's go to the other tab to see, and this is the first look of your blogger website. It's all done guys. Thank you so much to watch the video till the end. If you like our video, then please hit the like button. Do share this video with your friends and family so they can also start their digital journey with blogger.com. Please hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in another knowledgeable video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much.